Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the differences. And this is between the Eumycetoma and the Actinomycetoma. So what is the etiology here? In case of the Eumycetoma, it is a filamentous fungi, whereas Actinomycetes, it is a filamentous-like act. So it is filamentous, fungus-like. So Actinomycetes is fungus-like, and Eumycetoma is filamentous. Next is what are the grains. The grains in Eumycetoma is the Madurella mycetomatis and the Grisea black grains. So it is a Madurella. So it includes the Madurella mycetomatis and the Grisea black grains. Now in Actinomycetoma, it includes the Actinomadura madurae and the Nocardia asteroids white yellow grains. So it includes the white yellow. This is in case of the Actinomycetoma. Then the progression, if you look as U, it is slow, whereas in Actinomycetoma it is rapid. So Actinomycetoma, it is rapid. The site of involvement, in case of Eumycetoma, it is the feet and the hands, whereas in case of Actinomycetoma, it is the covered parts. So Eumycetoma, it was the feet and the hands. Now swelling wise, the Eumycetoma, it is well circumscribed and marked in later stages. So well circumscribed and marked in later stages. This is nothing but the Eumycetoma. Next is Actinomycetoma. It is ill-defined and merges with the surrounding tissue. So tissue destruction is marked in later stages. In Eumycetoma, it is marked in what stages? Later stages. Eumycetoma, in terms of involvement of the bone in early and extensive, is the Actinomycetoma. Next we look at the Eumycetoma, the filamentous. The filaments, it is wide in Eumycetoma, and Actinomycetoma, it is slender. So where is it wide? So wide is it is wide in case of the Eumycetoma, and a septate periodic PAS positive, and the gram negative is usually visualized at into 400x. So then Actinomycetoma, it is slender. It is slender where in Actinomycetoma, and non-septate PAS negative. So it is negative for the PAS, and the gram positive filament is, and it's difficult to visualize even at into 800. How is it responding to treatment? In terms of Actinomycetoma, it is very good. It is very good in treatment. There is a good response, whereas in Eumycetoma, it is unresponsive and requires a surgical debulking. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.